Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 9 is mountain folding and valley folding, which is the basic skills of origami. Many books regarding origami is explaining mountain folding and valley folding, but it seems to me they are failing, what they want to teach. It is very simple. Okay, mountain folding is a fold paper from white side. Then the colored side will be shown on the surface, and it will looks like a mountain. Please watch this. Okay, this colored side is on the surface and it is creating like a mountain. Okay, let's see, unfold and fold rectangle from other direction. This is also a mountain folding. Then unfold this paper and fold diagonal. Now this time the colored side is not on the surface. White side is on top. The colored side looks like a valley. On lecture 8, when you learned a swallow glider, this type of the marking lines, do you remember? The tap the center from the bottom side, the valley folding side will automatically fold in. This is exactly the same approach which was shown on the lecture 8. Now let's do it again, but this time start from the colored side. It is going to be a valley folding. See, the colored side is behind the surface and creating like a valley. Unfold and fold rectangle from other direction. Again, the colored side is inside, behind the scene, so it means valley folding. Unfold and then fold diagonal to create big triangle, but this time the colored side is on the surface, means this is a mountain folding. And this paper has two valley folding and one mountain folding, exactly the opposite of the first example. So push the center from the bottom, then it will automatically fold in. To make a square. Now, this is a supplement of basic skills. You will see the flow of mountain folding and valley folding, also the creating square. The difference of video and the slideshow is the video has a flow and the slideshow has each action by action. Okay, this is the mountain folding. Unfold and fold again from other direction. Rectangle. As you can see, the colored side is creating mountain. And then unfold and then fold big triangle. This one is a valley folding because as you can see, the colored side is inside. The white side is on top. Now see, marking line is very important. It will automatically fold in like this to make a square. This technique is going to be used quite often, quite frequently. Okay, let's see once again for the valley folding. Fold rectangle, the white side is on top. See, this is the valley. Fold rectangle from the other end. So this is also the valley folding. And turn over the paper and fold big triangle. Then this time the colored side is on top. It's a mountain folding. See this one? How easy to make a square by folding marking lines. Again, this technique of making square is very much frequently used in the origami lessons, particularly important for folding cranes or kissing cranes. Hope you understand this.